Good morning, Rocket and Muffin. My hand's going in to say hello. Close the gate behind me. Good morning, pretty bird. Pretty bird. The purpose of the hand being in is so they don't associate my hand with a threat. And I talk to them so that they'll know eventually that they associate the hand with happiness and safety, and hopefully one day we'll put food on it and then they'll hop on, and that's how we'll get them in and out of the cage, because they'll hop on and off our hands. So for now we just talk to them with the hand in the cage. Muffin! Muffin! Rocket! Pretty bird! Who's a pretty bird? Come on then! Come on! Bird, bird, bird! Pretty bird! Come on! Rocket! Rocket! Muffin! Pretty bird! Come on! Pretty bird! Chip, chip, chip! Chip, chip, chip! Who's a pretty bird? Rocket! Muffin! Muffin! Rocket! Who's a pretty bird? Pretty bird! Come on then! Chip, chip, chip! Where's Carter? Where's Carter gone? Muffin! Rocket! Where did Carter go? Find him! Come on then! Come on then! Where's the naughty cat? Where's the naughty cat? Where's the naughty cat gone? Come on! Come on then! Rocket! Muffin! What are you doing? Tell everyone you slept like a dream. You had a bedtime story in the nickel-nackle tree, and then we covered you up with the blanket and you went to sleep. Good morning. Good morning, bird. Come on then. Come on. Muffin. Rocket. Chirp, chirp. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Chirp, chirp. And that's enough. Just over 2 minutes. A couple of times a day, and hopefully, eventually, they'll get used to our hand being there, and then we'll start putting a bit of food on it. And they might start jumping onto our hand. What are you doing, boys? Having some food? Hiya. Yum. Yummy food. Say hello. Say hello to your fans. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.